Hey, UGG fam! I am your girl Kee Kee Soto, and welcome back to Urban Girl Gardening and Lifestyle. Today I am going to be sowing my white grapefruit seeds and lemon seeds that I actually saved from the fruit from the grocery store. I am going to go ahead and use my liquid seaweed. It's a growth stimulator, and if you've been with me for a while, you know that I love starting my seeds with a little bit of diluted liquid seaweed fertilizer. It's very trace amounts of minerals, but just enough to kind of kickstart the seedlings without being too much fertilizer for the seedlings. So you guys, you've seen me use this a lot, and you're probably going to see me use it forever. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and get this soil nice and moist. So we are going to start with the white grapefruit seeds. Now, I have been showing pictures on my community board of the last round of seeds, the germination, and more are popping up. You guys will see that towards the end of this video, but for now I'm going to go ahead and plop these right into the soil. And my rule of thumb, which you will hear me say every time you guys are sowing seeds with me, is do not plant your seeds or do not bury your seeds any deeper than the actual size of the seed. We don't need our seeds struggling to get to the top, y'all. So if your seed is a certain size, just push it down just a little bit, just the size of the seed, and you're good to go. Now let's hop on over to the lemon seeds. Now, I soak my seeds for at least a minimum of 3 days. 3 days. And you know, this is my first time planting fruit tree seeds from seed. I usually just order some. I ordered starts, but I said, you know what, this year I'm not trying to like go crazy spending a bunch of money. I'm not trying to overwhelm myself, but I'm also trying to learn. So, you know, if I can sow seeds, I think that's just another step towards sustainability, you know, growing your own fruit tree seeds from scratch. So I'm just spreading these seeds out just to make sure they have, you know, enough room to germinate and grow a little bit. And then eventually I will divide all the seedlings. So one really cool thing that I found out about growing these, hi Sky Pie, little baby hand, growing trees from seed is that it takes a very long time to get fruit or flowers for them to get really big, but in the meantime they make amazing house plants and they look good outdoors too, you know what I'm saying? So I mean, win-win. Who doesn't love a good house plant? So one thing that I've been really conscious about this season is making sure to use as many upcycled materials as possible. I mean, these guys already come with domes on top. So I have a humidity dome basically to keep the plants warm, keep the soil warm, and it really makes life really simple. I mean, if you're gonna buy the items, you might as well use what you have, right? And now these guys are in their new home in the basement. So this is where, like, the warmest spot in my house is the laundry room in the basement. It's warm, it's humid. This is the perfect place to start seeds. And, you know, I have some other things soaking in water, some other seeds, but you guys will find out what that's about in another video. And these are the grapefruits that I started on March 6th, and it's the 26th now. So this is 20 days of growth, guys. Soak the seeds for 3 days, and then once the seedlings start to emerge, I will sprinkle some perlite on top to stop fungus gnats, and so that I can safely, open them up. But aren't they beautiful? And this, this is my first time and I'm really enjoying it. And if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and like and subscribe and learn with me, grow with me. I love you guys for real. Bye.